Hey there, it's Mike here, and today I'm doing a review of a product called Stream Deck with 32 keys on it. Now, I went with a 32 version because I know that I have lots of different functions that I need for the recordings that I'm doing. I'm currently using this. You can see here, this is my MacBook. And I'm using it with a software called Ecamm Live. Now you can use it with OBS, multiple other different softwares out there. But the reason I use this is I can click the little buttons here and it can do things like I can change the aspect ratio, I can change the size of my video, I can have things like call to actions come up on here for like click the link below, or if I want to have someone like my video or whatever, I can share my screen with this and I can just go through and I have all these different options. I can mute, I can finish my stream, just anything that I want to do. I also really love this because I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to kind of go close up here. It also has little thumbnails that you can customize in here. You can do your next scene with this. So many different options that you can use with this. Now, they also have a way here where if we go over to the application that comes with the software, and this actually comes with Stream Deck here. If you go over and take a look at this, you can actually customize all your little buttons, all these little thumbnails. I just really think it's a fun software, especially if you've got your different scenes, and it's really intuitive in the fact that whatever kind of software you're using, if you're using OBS or Ecamm or whatever, it usually comes with like built-in different actions that you can just kind of have in there. And then they've got some fun ones here where you can go and customize it, and they've got like free apps that you can add in there in their little app store. It's just a nice, fun software. We've got Twitch here, so if you're doing things on Twitch, you can use that as well. Now, as far as being able to use this on my computer, I'm on a MacBook here, so I've got it plugged right in here. Now, I saw some comments where people were saying that they couldn't plug it into like a USB port. I've got it plugged into a USB port right here, but that's not like an issue for me. You can also plug it directly into your computer. Now, it came with this kind of a USB here, so depending upon what kind of computer you're using, you can plug it into like a converter here, and like what do they call those? Those little dongles if you're on a Mac. But you can also just go and you can use a USB-C. You can go in here and this, if I open this up right here and I show you what this looks like. This is just like that little USB-C. So you can actually just have one of these on both sides and plug directly into your computer as well. As you can see here, it does kind of have a little bit of an awkward way of plugging it in here, but after you plug that in, you plug it in here, then this cord goes right out through here, so it's not really an issue. If you've got a long cord, you can kind of take it and kind of coil it up and put it right back in like this. So this can actually sit right on your desk. If you want to have it on your desk like that, you can, or you can take that off and you can put that pretty much wherever you want to. If you want to lean it up against something, you can do that as well. It's up to you on how you want to do that. It's a pretty sturdy unit. I was actually really surprised with it. The buttons are really nice to press. You can really feel it when you press it. Sometimes when I press it though, when I'm recording, I have to kind of press it slowly. If I press it too hard, it can make a noise there. So I kind of just, when I'm doing it, I just kind of press it slowly so it doesn't make a noise on me, but it hasn't been an issue for me at all. Overall, it's a really like different kind of a product. I've enjoyed it so far in my business. So I hope this review has helped, and enjoy.